Hi, Ron from Clarity. In this video, we'll cover a client integration that we did integrating our Clarity e-commerce platform with the Syspro ERP. This integration covered account and user registration, updates, invoice payments, as well as sales orders from Clarity to Syspro. Coming back from Syspro, we synced their B2B accounts, custom pricing categories, products, inventory, invoices, account updates, and more. Let's look at a couple of these workflows, first starting with syncing one of our clients' B2B accounts from Syspro to Clarity eCommerce. The account we're going to sync is Long McQuaid Music. We hop into Ceph to see that we've already created a couple test clients and only one real client, Adorama. To showcase the integration, I'll be manually triggering the workflows, which usually happen either on a schedule or a real-time trigger. We head over to Connect. We click on the workflow, which checks the box for Account Sync Syspro to Ceph Workflow, then click Trigger Now. Drilling into Jobs, then the processing queue, we can see that our job has started. We'll click into the job to see the actual data that's being transferred. Scrolling down, you can see all the fields that we've mapped from Syspro as it's pulling the data for the account record out of Syspro. Going further down, you can now see that it's pushing the data record into Ceph. At the very bottom of the processed fields, you can see that it's completed inserting and creating customer record 10. Back into Ceph, I hit refresh and you can see that there is now an account for Long McQuaid Music. If I open the record, we can see the base information, all the address locations where the products are ordered from and shipped to, and any user records that were pulled from Syspro for this account, and in the background, all the pricing tables for this client. Next, let's process some sales orders from Clarity eCommerce into Syspro. In Ceph, you can see a number of sales orders that have already been made, but we haven't synced anything from December yet, so that's what we'll do now. Over into Connect, we click on the recurring jobs and find our sales order export from Ceph to Syspro job, click and Trigger Now. Again, we drill into Jobs, Processing Queue, and click on our running job. Now this client wanted a custom workflow where the order and its fulfillment details were pushed into Syspro, while another workflow exported the orders to a spreadsheet and processed an email including those orders. Once processed, you can see that the email with the sales orders has been sent. Over to our email, we can see that we received one from Clarity Ventures. If you click on the Section tab of this email, we can see that we have an attachment, and if I drill in, you can see the summary data for the 6 separate orders for the furry symbol that were placed, along with the SKU and quantity ordered. This data is sent by email to the sales team for reporting purposes, while the complete order with its shipping, address, billing, etc. is pushed directly into Syspro for fulfillment. For our last workflow, let's go look at syncing products. For this client, products are synced independently of inventory, as you can see the separate inventory sync workflow here. This workflow aggregates and syncs all product inventories across all warehouses each night, independent of an individual product update. Over into Syspro, we've updated an individual product, a B8X thin crash, with a quantity of 872 in Warehouse 1, and this is the product we're going to sync. Back into Connect, we highlight the Product Sync Syspro to Ceph workflow and Trigger Now. The first listing of fields is the product for that data being pulled from Syspro, and now you can see below that it's being pushed into Ceph. Once complete, you see the new product ID 856. Over into Ceph, we hit refresh and we see the product's been created with its associated price and inventory count of 872, ready for images and any additional SEO content. So in summary, we synced an account, Long McQuaid Music, with its associated price table, address locations, and users from Syspro to Ceph, and verified the information details in Ceph. Then we processed, exported, and emailed all sales orders from December in an email to the sales team as an Excel spreadsheet. Finally, we synced the B8X thin crash symbol along with its price, inventory account, and more to Ceph from Syspro, automatically inserting it into the product catalog. So that's a quick demo of an integration between Clarity eCommerce and Syspro, which also works with payments, product pricing, invoicing, and more. Thanks for watching.